unboxing of the Hero 8. So I'm gonna be showing you guys some of the specs and also what's inside the box. I got the bundles for $349.99 plus tax in Best Buy. The bundle in Best Buy was actually $400, but they did a price matching, so it cost me with tax $377. So some of the spec for the Hero 8 is 12 megapixel, 4K 60 frames per second, or 240 in 1080p, 8 times slow motion. You have hyper smooth 2.0, time warp 2.0, 1080p live streaming, live burst, super photo, HDR, raw, and you have actually the bundle have some other features. You have an extra battery pack, a card, a 32 GB Sandisk Extreme. You have the kind of like a tripod or a selfie stick. You have like both usages, selfie stick or tripod, and also you have the headband over here that you can use if you're riding a motorcycle or do some skiing or snowboarding. So this is what the box looks like. This is the back of the Hero 8, and this is the front of the box for the bundle. So let's get started. So I'm going to take this off. Let's see what's inside. I'm gonna put it a little bit like this so you guys can see it. Okay, so you have the casing. The Hero 8 is actually very small, like even smaller than I was thinking about. We have this little box over here. Look how tiny the Hero 8 is. Okay, so let me open the box. Alright, so over here you have the GoPro plus, say, unlimited storage. I don't know, some information over here about the GoPro. You have the manuals. I usually don't read this very much. You have a GoPro sticker, and you can actually put that possibly in your snowboard if you have one, or I don't know, just a sticker. You have the GoPro instruction book. Have a lot of pages, so I'm probably not gonna read that either. And over here we have the SanDisk 32 GB with the adapter. You have the battery, and you know what, I didn't know the battery was gonna be so small. If you buy the battery alone, it's usually like $20, $19–20 on the GoPro website, but in Amazon you can also get batteries for much cheaper than the GoPro website. You have the Type-C cable, I believe. Let me see. Also, let me see what else. So you have an extra battery. So the bundle that I bought for $349 plus tax, it actually comes with an extra battery. So I heard the GoPro battery normally lasts like about 40–50 minutes, maybe to an hour. So it's always good to have an extra battery. You have the headband over here with the GoPro logo. So let's open this up. It's actually wrapped with I don't know, some black thing. Okay, so GoPro with the logo, and it's pretty cool. It actually feels pretty good in terms of material, and the elastic is pretty awesome. I like that it have the GoPro logo, and then this thing over here in the back so you can put the GoPro. Okay, this little piece over here with the tape, and let me see what else. So I have these like tripod selfie stick. I didn't know it was gonna be that small. I'm actually surprised. I thought it was gonna be a little bit bigger. So this is pretty small enough to put probably in your pocket or your purse or whatever you normally put your GoPro in. Look how tiny it is. I have small fingers and this is pretty much the size of it. I think you can open this. Actually, I never played with this before, so oh, so here you go. So it kind of like work as a small tripod, and this is what it looks like. The quality, I don't know, it seems okay. This part over here is plastic, nothing out of this world. I believe I saw these in Amazon for like $30, almost $40 if I'm not mistaken. But honestly, I thought it was gonna be bigger. And then, let's see. I don't know how. Maybe you gotta take this off to use it as a selfie stick. I'm not sure. But yeah, this is pretty small. This is what it looks like. And that's pretty much it for the bundle. Today I'm not going to take the stickers of the camera yet, just in case, but this is what the GoPro looks like. That's the camera, that's the back of it, and this is the front of the GoPro. So pretty tiny. You have the power button over here, and yeah, that's pretty much it. You have so for the lens, I might buy one of the plastic like screen protectors just in case if I drop it, because I'm probably gonna be using it a lot. So I'm probably gonna buy that. But yeah, that's pretty much all the items that I have. I hope you enjoy my review. Is there anything else here? Nope. So I hope you enjoy my review, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. If you have any value of this video, please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.